Indicator light flashes when the machine cannot running. Turn off the sewing machine. Selecting too much or too little stitch tension, most of the sewing will be done between 3 and 5. You need to put thread through it. When passing through the thread tension module, the presser foot must be raised. Do not turn the hand wheel when the machine is not running. Open the cover plate and take out bobbin. Cutting the thread. Clear the clogged threads. When you pull the thread, the bobbin should spin clockwise. Place it through the thread guide. Draw thread up and through take-up lever from right to left. Draw thread down and slip it into needle bar thread guide. Raise the needle to the highest point. Pull down the lever while holding the end of the thread. Release the lever. Raise the presser foot. Turn the hand wheel until the needle goes down, until the take-up lever is at its highest position. Pull 6 inches of both thread back and under the presser foot.